Good afternoon, sir. My name is Amol Nazar, and today date is 23 July 2021. And today's video topic is multi-threading. So, first of all, what is meant by the multi-threading? So, multi-threading is it is defined as the multiple thread can executing simultaneously is called as a multi-threading. So what are you used to the multi-threading? So multi-threading is used to achieve the multitasking. So what is meant by the multitasking? So multitasking is defined as the multiple processing can multiple tasks completed in simultaneously executing simultaneously is called as a multitasking. So multitasking is achieved the two ways. First one is a process based multitasking and second way is a thread based multitasking. So first of all, studies in process based multitasking. So how to achieve the process based multitasking? So firstly, to discuss the define of the multi-processing. So multi-processing is the executing the multiple process in simultaneously is called as a multiprocessing. So which type of the multiprocessing? Suppose the CPU is a processor and it is the inside the multiple process can be running. So first one is to on the music player to down the suppose class downloading the songs and downloading the songs. And third one process is the open the word file. There are the three process and it is executing the simultaneously. So downloading works to the download and word file is the to create the file and video player is the to on the video player. There are three process can be executing simultaneously is the multiple process can be executed. There in three processing and is it can be achieve the multiple tasking. So second way of the multitasking. So second way is a thread based multitasking. So definition of thread based multitasking is so multiple thread can executing in simultaneously in the inside the process. So it's called as a multi-threading. So there are working three process. So first of all, video music player on. Second one is the downloading the file and third one is to open the video lecture or etc. So it is inside the many thread can be working the simultaneously. Suppose the video player inside the timer. The timer is one thread. So thousand of thread working the inside the processing. So and it is achieve the multitasking. So use of the achieve the multitasking. So advantages of what is meant by the thread? The thread is a lightweight and it is a unit of the subunit of the processing and it is the small unit. So advantages of thread is main used to the executing the multiple operation can simultaneously is the most use of the thread, and it is second used to save the time can operation can simultaneously executing. Then how to create the thread? The thread creating the two way. First one is the thread class and second one is the runnable interface. So first of all discuss the thread class. Thread class is the parent class of the all class or thread class. It is used to the create the thread, and thread class parent class is the object class. So thread class is inside the various built-in method. So yield method, sleep method, run method, get method, and daemon thread method. It is the inside the method of thread class. So discuss the how create the thread. So suppose the firstly create the suppose the class abc, extend the thread class. It is first class extend the thread class. It is the most important to extend keyword. So extend thread class or property inside the this class. So thread create the thread abc extend the thread. So inside the to for use to the run method. So second one most use of the thread is to create the run method, and run method inside the body. So body xyz, and after the creating main method, and it inside the use of the start method. So three way of the most important to the creating the thread, and after the thread are creating. So various method can be used to the thread class. So first of all use to the run method. To run method used to run the thread and various operation to inside the run method. So second one method is the start method. The start method is used to start the execution of the thread, and it is the best priority of the method. Second one method is the yield method is the used to the priority of the thread. Suppose the one thread working execution is start, and it is the stopping and priority of second thread. So it is the real time example of yield method is a big bazaar. So suppose the customer one customer is priority of second customer, and third one method is a join method is used to the to wait the execution of another thread, and after the execution of each thread. And it is an example of license, driving license camp. It is a useful example of the join method. And fourth one method is a priority method. So priority method is to the priority of another thread. So used to the priority method. And fifth upon the daemon thread method. Daemon thread method is the used to the set the daemon or set the daemon. And last one method is is daemon. Is daemon is used to the it is used to the background of to working of the background of the thread. Suppose the real example of daemon thread is a computer typing time. So mistake of the spelling, so error red line. So is the example of daemon thread is said to be set daemon, and after to use to the is daemon. So thread is basically working the multiple tasking completing is the main achieve the thread. Thank you, sir.